dragons? Who remembers these guys? Yeah, these are your Chinese dragons, otherwise known as the Chinese bulldogs, some of you called them as you were drawing them with their big jowls. Well, they're coming down today because it is your Ancient China test. This is a 2-day test. I'm giving you 2 days. So use your notes, use your book, use your study guide, use Kahoot. Hey, use whatever resources you have available to you. That's fine. But make sure that you are taking your time and doing a good job on this test. So I wanted to go over the test for you as I usually do. You've got several multiple choice questions on page 1 and 2. On page 2, you've got a few fill in the blank answers there. And on this question number 3, the 5 relationships to Confucianism. So you could list the specific people in each relationship. So I'm going to give you an example on that one. One of them would be father to son, right? So that would be one. And then the others, you're going to have 2 people for each one of those relationships on the bottom of page 2. Now, if you look with me on page 3, you have a short answer. And these, you don't have to use complete sentences these time. It's kind of like a fill in the blank. So you're just going to describe the physical barriers that surround China around their locations. You can use your map for help on that part. So what's the barrier to the west? What kept China isolated on the western barrier, the southwestern barrier, the northern barrier, and the eastern barrier? And then I want you to give me 2 examples of rituals that the ancient Chinese used to honor their ancestors. Okay, so again, don't have to have complete sentences on that short answer part for this time around. Now the essay, you do need to have complete sentences. And our essay question is, compare and contrast the cultures of the Shang and Zhou dynasties. That almost got me again. I almost said it wrong, but I said it right. It's Zhou, not Zhao. Compare and contrast the cultures of the Shang and Zhou dynasties. We did do this on your study guide. However, I need complete sentences. Give me a good topic sentence to start off with. List those, compare and contrast those similarities, those differences in complete sentences, and then a good closing sentence. So I would say you guys could give me minimum of 5 good 6th grade sentences on this part, but if you gave a really well-rounded answer, it probably would be more than 5. So minimum of 5 sentences for this essay question here, okay? You can do it. Use your study guide. It'll help you so much. Or go back and look at the video again. Now, don't forget on that last page, it might be easy to, oh, I did my essay, I'm done. We don't normally have an activity like this, but on the last page, this is part of your test as well. For the map, if you've already got your map in your study guide, you're good. You're just copying it down. You need to list what is located in each of these areas along the map. So A would be up here in the north. Clue there is it's a desert. Over here, B, that's another desert. C, well, you can see that it's mountains, so hopefully you know the names of those mountains. D is referring to this river here, so what's the name of this river? E would be this bottom river, this southern river. What's the name of that? And then G, this whole area here, we referred to that area when we completed the map as a certain geographic area. So what is the name of that geographic area? And then F, there is a sea or an ocean off to the side. What is it? Where is it? List it for F. Now this map is going to be really super helpful for you when you're answering your short answers on page 3. So you might want to do the map first. You might want to go back, fill in that map first, then go answer the questions. Okay? And I always encourage you guys, look at the multiple choice questions as well. Sometimes the multiple choice questions give you the answers for the short answer or the fill in the blank. So please use all your resources. Do a great job. When you're finished, you can scan it or take a picture of it, email it to me, upload it to RenWeb, or hold on to it and drop it off at the next drop-off pickup day. All right, so hope you guys do well. I know you've got this. Your Chinese dragons are gonna be coming to you at the next pickup day. So be ready for these guys to come home. All right, bye.